来た。これはいいんじゃないですか。おっといけください。OK。Good fish. Very nice fish.
Hello. We have just arrived here in Australia. On this trip, we are going to do champ fishing using this sunny champ basket loaded with Australian-style champ known as Burley. We are also bringing a Japanese-style champ called Komase. It's made from minced sardines to see how it performs. Which one works better? Australian Burley or Japanese Komase? We are about to find out. And our target fish is snapper. Let's get into it.
Hello, today's target is snapper. I'm chasing the snapper with the paternoster rig, which is what we call it in Australia. And I'm using the squid, stripped squid, fresh squid. This is the charm basket, which is we put the burley in it, so and attract the fish. So it's Australian like a burley pellet. I think that this is suitable for here. This dissolved in the water pretty quickly, so it will help attract the fish, and hopefully we catch some snapper.
Once it hits the bottom, shake the rod twice and reel it in 1 meter. It's like hiding a fishing hook among scattered barley.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, so how to use this rig is once hit the bottom, just to jig up twice and trying to get the burley off the bucket, and wind it about 1 meter off the bottom. And let's see if any bites or not. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Today's conditions are quite rough, so we're gonna go out wider, but unfortunately I don't think we can go. What we get? Oh, ベラ系ですね。ベラですね。あ、魚結構映ってますね。やっぱり餌られてるかもしれない。Okay, hit. おっと。あ、ちょっと小さい。はい、all the birdies went out. Yeah. The burley attracted fish, and one of the squid strip got the fish on.
Burley turns into tiny particles in the water and has been confirmed to attract fish over a wide area. Small fish are actively eating it, probably because it is an easy-to-eat size. Since many small fish I caught, I'll try using Japanese komase. Komase creates a layer of turbidity and odor in the water. It is expected to attract big fish that use their sense of smell to find food rather than small fish that use their eyes to find food.
This is homemade, pretty much homemade. Mixed with pilchards and breadcrumbs. For this sardine mint pilchard burley, we recommend to use just like a spoon like this, and so you don't have to get the hands dirty. Because of the burley is just more finer or minced up, we just close it up, the holes a little bit smaller, so it doesn't really come out too quickly. Just slowly disperse the berry. Okay, so the fish get in the bite from the bottom hooks, and the second he tried to eat the top one, and he cut the line. So this is our Japanese style setup for snapper fishing, and this burley bucket we recommend to put about 70% of the burley in it, and don't put too hard, like don't squash them too hard, so nice and easy, softly, so it will come out pretty easily. Okay, this is called free rig. So we have about 2 meters of a trace, and on it we don't use any sinker up here, so it's just naturally floating around there near the burley. So because we're using this rig, we can use like 1 meter to up to 20 meters of the trace, so without tangling, so which is very effective for snapper. So because of this patent tackle, like have just the distance, the gap between the sinkers, so that allows to with the line without tangling.
Once it hits the bottom, reel in 1 meter. Shake the rod 2 to 3 times. Reel in 1 meter. The fishing hook synchronizes with Komase.
Drop the bait first, then we drop the box. Hey. So because we have 2 meters over the trace to the hooks or the bait, so we drop to the bottom, we wind up 1 meter and jig it up. Then we're gonna wind it up another meter and jig it up. Okay, so shake it off the burley off from the bucket. The bait will be near the bottom, freely floating around across the bottom, and the burley also floating down near the bait. Alright, here it comes. Yeah, a lot of fish got attracted by burley. I'll just show you. There we go. That's a lot of fish. Before then there was no fish, but now it's got a lot of fish now. It's also effective if we move the rigs a little bit more higher to make it the actual bait. It also moves as well instead of sitting down the bottom. 落としたらすぐ寄ってきて。これは。タコ。初めてですよ。うわ、これちょっと嬉しい。But you jig it up the burley box, and the burley coming out a little bit and move it, and then the actual bait on the hooks actually synchronize with the bait, the burley, and fish usually hit at the same time. So my bait will be about 2 meters off the bottom, because I'll put up the my 3 meters off the bottom. After burley, like, start showing up. Fish are actually definitely attracted. Oh. じゃあこれはいいんじゃないですか。Good fish. We had an unexpected big fish. Took our bait, and he probably ran about 150-meter line, and we just lost him. Either hook pull or hook busted off, or line busted off. Hook straighten. Yeah. Okay, this time I changed to the trace was 6 meter this time.
Once it hits the bottom, reel in 4 meter. Shake the rod 2 to 3 times. Reel in 2 meter. Shake the rod 2 to 3 times. Reel in 1 meter. Much more nice synchronizes with Komase.
So we're gonna 4 meter 巻いて we're gonna wind it up about 4 meter and jig it up.
2メーター巻いて
And we wind it up 2 meter.
で1メーター巻いて待つ。これで7メーター。
Okay. And another 1 meter. And the total 7 meter of the bottom. I did 2 times this routine, drop the legs and jig it up and wait for the bite. And if I don't get a bite from the fish, I drop back again and jig it up twice. And usually when we do the 2 times this routine, the burley will be empty in a burley bucket. So we'll probably refill the burley in it and do it again. We need to do this frequently if we want to catch many fish. Yes. So
Almost empty.
It's empty, almost empty. Yes. So we're gonna refill this and try again. Now it was a big fish. Whatever that fish. Yeah, I cut a little bit longer strip, but not too long. Oh, nice fish. Oh, yeah. It's very snapper-like bite. We can, what we got? Oh! Oh! Oh no, that's a Shimajike Hiraji Han. いい魚じゃないですか。いい魚ですね。いい魚ですね。
Definitely snapper.
Snapper, yes, that's our target fish. おー、すげえ。すごいですね。いやー、今のは予告でした。It was a perfect situation. He was telling me after jig it up twice, and when the birdies come out from the box, and that's your bait. Oh, this one's a good one. Oh, I think we got another good one. Yes. ゆっくりパディ。Yeah, slowly fight this one. Okay. 走らせていいよ。おお、that's a big head shake。走らせていいですね。はい、ゆっくりで。We're fighting a little bit slower. The last one, hook pull because it's straight to hook. Yeah, hopefully this time. Yeah, it's coming up on surface. Potentially cobia. Yes, this is cobia. I would say it's coming up on surface. いいですね。はい。はい。
ああ、また。
今表面表層なんか跳ねましたね今。
跳ねました。
今なんか跳ねましたね。
マジか。
うわ
じゃあ外れたかな。
ー。いや
外されたかな。
ー、マジっすか。
彼の根元からですね。
根元からですか。Unfortunately, fish busted before. It's just too big fish. We only chasing snapper, but Australia we have many other species. Okay. 本命じゃないですか。